The TN1 Series is a story of balance, precision, and great design. Hand-forged and sharpened at a 16-degree angle from Swedish Sandvik steel, which features a perfect mix of incredible hardness and durability. Recognized for its phenomenal design, the TN1 Series has been awarded the prestigious Red Dot Award and the German Design Award, all due in part with Cangshan's obsession with design and function. This knife line includes a modular 14-piece Denali knife block set, crafted from solid maple wood, and is also available in the minimalistic 3-piece walnut tie block set.